Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something amazing. How to use Google AI Studio completely for free. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need to pay anything to start using this powerful AI tool. So first, what is Google AI Studio? It's a platform by Google where you can use AI to generate text, edit photos, and even create content, all in one place. Now let's talk about the free part. You just need a Google account. Go to the website, sign in, and boom, you can start using it instantly. You can write prompts, edit images, generate ideas, even test AI tools. And the best part? You don't need to add any payment method. But here's something important. It's free only for normal use, like learning and experimenting. If you try to build apps or use advanced API features, then charges may apply. So if you're a beginner, student, or content creator, this is one of the best free AI tools available right now. So go ahead, try it out, and explore your creativity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next video.